Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common household nuisance, water bugs. These pesky creatures can be quite a headache, but fear not, because we've got some effective and natural home remedies to help you get rid of them. So let's dive right in. Holding a bag of diatomaceous earth. Our first remedy is diatomaceous earth. This natural powder is highly effective in eliminating water bugs. Sprinkle a thin layer of diatomaceous earth in areas where you've spotted these bugs, such as around sinks, drains, and corners. It works by dehydrating them, making it an excellent natural solution. Holding a spray bottle of white vinegar. Next up, we have white vinegar. This household staple is not only great for cooking, but it's also a powerful bug repellent. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Then, generously spray this solution in areas prone to water bugs. The strong scent will deter them from coming back. Another effective remedy involves citrus peels. Water bugs despise the scent of citrus fruits. Simply save your orange, lemon, or lime peels and place them near areas where you've seen these bugs. This natural deterrent will help keep them at bay. And there you have it. These natural remedies should help you reclaim your home from water bugs. Remember to be consistent with these methods for best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.